Welcome to the brand new 2024 GMC Terrain AT4 in sterling metallic. This SUV is powered by a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, bolted up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Terrain, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power adjustable mirrors, heads-up display controls, electronic parking brake, multi-stage hatch selector dial, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 8-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, button-activated shifter, all-wheel drive selector is in your center console, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the Terrain, starting off with the 17-inch gloss black aluminum wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles, AT4 badging on the doors, blacked-out mirrors with LED turn signals. Around the front of the vehicle, GMC badge in the center of the grille, AT4 badge in the grille as well, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around, roof rails are installed. At the back of the vehicle, we have the chrome Terrain AT4 and GMC badging all on the hatch. Heading back inside the AT4, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible in a 60-40 split, allowing plenty of access to your trunk. Cup holders come down in the middle. Bose audio continues throughout the SUV, and here in the center console, we have 2 USB charging ports and a 120-volt outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2024 GMC Terrain AT4. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.